right. So, just a few little details to make your biography, or rather, video biography project even a little bit better. Um, so, you've already watched the first tutorial, and you probably have seen the example video I made, the biography of the basketball player Bill Russell. Now, to make that a good biography, I had to narrate it, and rather than just narrating off the top of my head, I went ahead and found some information from Wikipedia. And what I actually did, rather than just reading off of Wikipedia, is I went ahead and used Wikipedia to find other sources. So if I type in wiki, and it takes me to Wikipedia, and I search Bill Russell. Okay, now this is all good stuff, but we know, we've been told before, don't use Wikipedia as a source because any old fool can type anything they want. But I will tell you this, way down at the bottom of Wikipedia are all sorts of great sources. Things like, I don't know, Sports Illustrated, things like the, NBA Hall of Fames, USA Today. I'm looking at Seattle, NBA TV Originals. So these are all, I mean, literally there's 130 something, 140 something sources here. You pick one or two of those, and Time Magazine, that's pretty cool. So you take one of these sources, I'll click on it. And doesn't exist. You get the idea though. Go ahead, copy. Imagine that's there. Copy that. And then you're going to put that at the end of your video as a source slide. Okay. In other words, I'm not requiring you to do an entire bibliography, but where did you get your information from? We just want to make sure you didn't make it up and that you didn't read word for word right from Wikipedia. So at the end of your video, make a sources or citations slide where you have at least 2 or 3 sources where you got your information, okay? You also, let me see, what else was I going to talk about? If you want to, you can scribble down notes on a piece of paper. I suppose you could type a document rather than trying to read it all from just memory and maybe have a lot of ums and ahs and stuff like that. I'm not forcing you to write a paragraph, but even just scribbling down some notes will make your narration come out a whole lot smoother, make your biography come out better. And just one more thing I wanted you to know about, and this is going to be awkward because right now I'm using Wevideo screencasting. I know I talked about using Screencastify to do a screen capture of maybe something from YouTube, that highlight reel. There was a short video where Bill Russell dunks on a guy that I showed you in that other video. Well, look, if you want to do that, you can do it right here on Wevideo. If you click the record button, yeah, see, it's not going to let me show you because I've got recording in progress. But if you click there, you'll see some options in terms of being able to record your screen. And basically, it works the same way as Screencastify. If 1, you can't get Screencastify to work, or 2, you're not allowed to install it wherever you're working on this. So 3 things. 1, make sure that you have some sources and citations, okay? 2, you may want to write down a script as you narrate so that your narration goes smoother. And 3, if you need to capture a screencast of some video, probably from YouTube, to add into your biography, you may use Wevideo's screencasting feature versus Screencastify. So those are just 3 points I wanted to make, and continue editing your video biography, and hopefully it'll come out great. Can't wait to see them.